fresh snow makes it feel like Christmas, and so does Sounds of the Season.
The Sevastopol High School Choir is here singing God Rest Ye Merry Gentlemen.
God rest ye merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day to save us all from Satan's power when we were gone astray.
Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy.
Oh, tidings of comfort and joy.
From God our heavenly Father, a blessed angel came, and unto certain shepherds brought tidings of the same.
How that in Bethlehem was born the Son of God by name.
Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy.
Oh, tidings of comfort and joy. The shepherds at those tidings rejoiced in heart and mind, and left their flocks a feeding in tempest, storm, and wind, and went to Bethlehem straightway the blessed babe to find.
Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy.
Oh, tidings